talk, but I also want you to pray in tongues. Come on, my brother, my sister, rise up in tongues. Let's shift this atmosphere. Come on, it's a new place, and you want to shift the atmosphere tonight. We are taking positions. We are taking territories. Oh,